Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here today we will be doing another reaction video of a Manipuri music video and a Manipuri film teaser. This reaction video is requested by my one and only sister, Dr. Pravina Chanu, and yeah, shout out to her. Thank you for suggesting for a reaction video. So yeah, let's get started. Hey, do not forget to subscribe my channel and yeah, hit the bell icon as well. So today's reaction video, the title is Ningthou Sana Talloi, and the view is 1.7 million. Wow, in just 2 weeks. That's amazing. Yeah, I hope the song will be good for sure. Looking by the views of the video, yeah, I'm super excited. Let's get started. Vintage vibe, retro, yeah. Yes, I like the theme of this music video. The theme of the music video is into the olden days, into 80s or 90s days. Yeah, so yeah, it's good to like experience the moment again, though we are not from the 80s or 90s, but still then we get to touch the lifestyle or how their life exists. Yeah? It's good to experience through music. So yeah. The actress is pretty. Oh ho. Nupi uramdaida yam nana la so confidence so hunter give as kai awat pa leiba ka yeng mo do adi film de ne ma ta uri se je. Here is the singer Ningthou. The song is too good. Ningthou ki say what right? Every single song of Ningthou is good only. Yeah. So Arriba ki style ni ba hoje. Sorry. Đúng không đây? 바제이네. Oh, I like the videography, looking aesthetics. Oh, this frame. Singju, wow. Singju bu uraba aidi hekta ngamdabaneba adum chaningbada. See? Siguma game se khangraba ID khangdeba, but through this music video I can see that it's a part of culture which is new to me, so knowledge ama phangeba ko siguma music music yengbadagi ariba culture gi se kamai torapno habda siguma sanara e kholle habse through music we learn it too. So yeah, this music video is I can't even express it by words. This is too beautiful. He said because his best friend got a girlfriend. Sana Talloi. Ningthou with Brando Kuman. A film by Krishnan Toksom Mr. Bro. Okay. Yeah, I appreciate the director for his unique piece. Yam tongana udra habidi mayam na tawnariba train siga hauzik ma si music siga yam khennai ba habidi videography isai bo oiro isai gi theme bo oiro adum loi phajai ba ko yam tongana adu gi su oiram ni ba. Just within these 2 weeks the view got 1.7 million something, so of course this is the reason I guess mayam na pamnari se ariba gi style da namaga hauzik now na puthok pai ne ga mayam na pamnari se ko. Yeah, it's good. Starring Kritina Luang. So this is the actress name, I guess. Masak yam phajai, yam cute oye, acting su phajana hai. Yeah, and Tenny Nongwai Tem. Yeah, bro, yam phajai. Joy contract from makeup artist Golden Kapoor. Music engineer by Lanchenba Laishram. Whoa, bro, Lanchenba Laishram. Shout out to you, man. Your music has like touched me. This is so cool. And flute, yeah, flute give credit to people mathau tai habidi. This songs is in the theme of the old retro times, so flute carries the main theme. Si yauram de akhoi feel do habidi ariba isai gi style da tawani na si yaurak tradi fulfill do tawrei da atmai oi do ni. So shout out to him as well. And then lead guitar Thomas Lloyd, I Tongjam, guitar Vidya Ayakpam. Yeah. So I motivate this album is top notes. Yam phajai. I like it that much that I will listen it again later. And then review piyo haidi ko just aigi opinion ni ko sida kitang ai na kai hai na aigi mod ni ko si hena hap hauradi hena phajatui ba jaga amai ueba habdi costume gi matang se hero ga magi ko ek tawriba mamanaba budi kem kai dreba ko it's okay but heroine gi costume se ga kitang habdi magi tops mayam seliba mayam do hauzik nupi maja mayam na senariba tops unariba tops ngaktane ba ariba isai budi ariba thim da tawrabnina hauzik chanariba trend gi tops mayam natabi da kitang atokpa tops mayam designer da boiro tanaraga kitang tawramadi hena mapung phadoini si album se phabdi phare mayam na loi pamnari ko adu orisu aigi mod ne ai haijari se ai chuma masi ai lalam masi ai adubu hauzik bazar da phangba tops dumaino uweba habdi kitang retro ariba matamda selakpa tops khaido mandreba hauzik chanariba trend dugi tops oina uweba adu kaktani. The rest is the tip top. Yeah, salute to the production team, and yeah, to the main singer Ningthou. Yeah, I appreciate your voice. Nangi isay mayam layek loinamak tay loinamak phajay athiba ama faw layte loi phajay. So yeah, keep producing good music, and yeah, thank you once again. And then mathangisina, wait, let me check it. Mathangisina Thambal hariba film yugi teaser done hauzik rec tawdesi got the second video. So the cast is Avi, Soras, and Pinky Lamnganbi. Okay, so yeah, without further delay, let's just get started again. Oh, this teaser has released 2 years ago. Okay. Sure. Oh, those lotus. Thambal. Okay, so Thambal is a lotus, so that's the theme of the movie.
Yamna pamna sama sa talay ba do bumong na tigi pura galaka niya mo kitapal
chokhat pagi lamjel asida yauribase nakhoi gi su chok thok chani ngai na tabra takhale ai bu gari gi bubi minima ai na hamorsi na
Okay. The film looks interesting. The teaser looks interesting, I mean. Dialogue with the pag yaude adubu yam no idol male. Magi theme se laikai Laikai romance oidau male ko. I'm not sure. I might be wrong again. Laikai romance oidau male. Aribagi theme da puthokpa male ba ko siso. Adum phajadau male. Okay, see film je. They got a lot of awards in Prague Cine Awards. Prague Cine Awards is and Nordic Film Festival Awards, the biggest film festival in Nordic, right? Yeah, sorry. So they got a nominee, a winner as well. Nominee mayam changkrebako. Nominee for best film Nordic nominee change. Best actor Nordic the winner phangkrebako. 2024 gi. Okay. Best director Norris nominee changkre. Best director gisu. Best actress gisu nominee changkre. Best actor Norris gisu nominee changkre. Actor ani yawi actor ani mak nominee loi changba male ba. Yeah. Si film se phajabai nominee sang basu ngamini aduga best actor gi award su phangba ngamini ba. That's the reason. And then for your information guys, si film je ko amuk nauna amuk kap kani ba ko mafam di MSFDS ta date 17 November da si film se amuk Thambal hai ba film se amuk kap tu ni ba MSFDS ta. So if you guys si film se 2 years back release tau krabani mana. Some of you might have watched it, but then for those who haven't watched it and then wanna watch the film, you can go at MSFDS on 17th of November. So yeah, and then have a good time with them. Yeah, so that's my reaction video for today. And then if you want to see me doing a reaction video, you can suggest me or share me the link in any social media platform, or you can even share the link in my comment. So yeah, see you guys on the next video.